the sand from Fluffy's litter box! Sue! Fluffy has gone too far!
Really? What did she do?
She brought her sand into my bathtub when I was going to take a bath!
Oops.
What do you mean, oops?
Well, it's not Fluffy, it's me. I wanted to try a new recipe of kinetic sand in a small amount.
But... well, kinetic sand is good. I really love it, so, it's alright.
I was thinking of making it in normal proportions because it wasn't coming out right.
Well, let's go then! Up! To redeem yourself, you'll have to make absolutely incredible, amazing, awesome kinetic sand!
I'll do my best, Sammy. First, I'll take a large bowl and pour the cleanest and nicest sand I could find.
Not Fluffy's?
No, don't worry. No cat will be harmed. Now, let's add some cornstarch.
And stir?
Yes, but not with that.
Oh.
Hey, Sam, do you remember the kinetic sandcastle I made for you?
Maybe.
Then perhaps you know where that coconut came from?
I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard enough. All I wanted was to break your walls. All you ever did was break me. Nope. No idea.
I hope that won't happen this time.
That won't. But I can't promise anything.
Now, into this mix, we'll add soapy water. This should be enough.
This simple recipe is just asking for at least one special ingredient.
Oh, I'm already scared. Oh. Right, the base is done. I'll put it into 3 bowls. A little bit more. And there.
Oops.
Oh, Sammy!
But isn't it more awesome with glitter?
You know, it actually is. I'll add some coloring and mix it well. Ooh, whoa! Check it out. Oh, so squishy. Some blue. More glitter. And stir it up. Oh, this is so cool! Ooh, do you see all those little glitter specks? How cool!
Guys, do you like glitter in kinetic sand? Write in the comments!
Okay, these are the 3 colors we've got.
Let's consider this experiment a success.
Guys, if you liked this kinetic sand recipe, give this video a thumbs up.
And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos with kinetic sand.
Bye!
Yes, a successful experiment indeed.